When I was at the Marshall Space Flight Center as an intern, when I was in undergrad, we had an opportunity to help out there at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center and Space Camp. And I was able to teach some classes on the space shuttle and the orbiter, not for kids, but really for elementary and middle school teachers who were coming down to get the education to bring back to their classrooms. I went to college at a real small liberal arts school called Albion College, and there I got a fundamental, solid education in physics and math, but also the foundation in a spectrum of other disciplines, including economics and arts and humanities. And it was there that I got my first taste of collaborative learning and peer mentorship and exploration, really. After Albion, I went to University of Rochester, again to continue this idea of exploration, and I was a PhD student in high energy physics and was part of an incredible team there, had a superb mentor and advisor, and we were part of an experiment with 500 scientists from about 40 universities in 10 countries, and we were at the cutting edge of high energy physics. And it was a really exciting time to be there and to be making the discoveries. And after the University of Rochester, I went into the Navy and became a test pilot. You know, it's tough to pick any one thing. We have gotten to do things like the National Outdoor Leadership course for a week and a half, getting in the pool, the neutral buoyancy lab, and training for spacewalks. We're getting into robotics. We fly a lot. It is really tough to pick any one thing. I'm surprised at how much I ended up enjoying learning Russian. That is nothing I could have made an excuse to do, and it is just, it's an incredible experience and very diverse in terms of the way we spend our time. But for me, I think the most interesting thing has been we've got so many different personalities and backgrounds in the group, and it's really neat to merge those strengths and get to a position where we need to be, which is to be ready as a group for the next generation of space exploration. You've got a variety of tools to use, and most importantly, you have a problem-solving skill set, something I call intellectual courage. You may not have the background or the expertise in a specific topic, but you do have the courage and know-how to tackle that problem and tackle something that maybe at the outset seems insurmountable, and it quickly becomes something that we can handle or even thrive in. Well, that's what makes it fun, right? The hard stuff is the fun stuff. It's hard for a reason, and for me, I just so genuinely enjoy the EVA training, the spacewalk training, and it's physically demanding. You find out very quickly that you don't have the forearm strength that you thought you did. And it's just, it's a really incredible experience that pushes you both physically and mentally. And it's quite rewarding. Nobody could do this on their own. And it's just really phenomenal what we can do together as a team. In terms of exploration, you know, there's no telling what we're going to learn. And that's the reason we do exploration.